Last year, kids' coloring books became one of the most in-demand digital products, and many creators made great income from them. But the real question is, how can you create one? In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the complete process of creating a kid's coloring book from scratch. You'll also learn smart design tricks that make the entire process faster, easier, and more professional, even if you're a beginner. So stay with me till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design your own coloring book. Let's get started. To begin, set the artboard size. For this project, I'll use 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Once the Canva editor opens, name your document. Now let's start designing our coloring book. Go to the side menu, click on Apps, and search for Magic Media. When the app opens, write your prompt in the prompt description box. If you want to learn how to use this app in detail, you can watch my previous video where I explained everything step by step. I've already written my prompt in a Word file, so I'll simply copy it and paste it into the description box. Then, click Generate. The app will generate 4 results. Choose the one you like the most and adjust it properly on the artboard. Next, add an outline to the image. Set the line width to 2 points for a clean and clear look. Now we need to add a heading and a subheading to this page. Select the text heading and write your title. Since my image is about brushing teeth, I'll write "Brush Your Teeth" as the heading. This font doesn't look very kid-friendly, so I'll change it to the Fredoka font style. After that, apply the hollow effect to keep the design cohesive. Then, add the subheading. Next, add text at the bottom of the page to give it a complete look. On the left side, write the book name, and on the right side, add the page number. To align everything properly, turn on the grid lines. Adjust the placement of the image and text using the grid. Our first page of the kids' coloring book is now complete. To create the second page, duplicate the first page. Change the heading to Another Good Habit. Since this is a kids' good habits coloring book, I'll use Wash Your Hands for this page. Update the subheading and page number as well. Now we need to create a new image for this good habit. Add a new grid line and delete the old image. Go back to the image generation app and write a prompt related to this habit. Click Generate. Select the image you like and place it properly on the page. Finally, add an outline to the image. The second coloring page is now complete. I'll now show you one more page design. To create it, simply repeat the same process. Change the heading and subheading. Update the page number. Generate a new good habit image. Adjust and outline the image. The third page of the coloring book is also completed. Using this same process, you can create multiple pages for your coloring book. Since the steps are identical for every page, I won't show the full process for all pages. Instead, I'll move directly to the completed pages and show you how to design the cover page. These are the coloring pages I created using the same steps explained earlier. Now, let's complete the coloring book by designing the cover page. First, create a blank page. Add a text heading and write your book title. Change the font to Fredoka. To make the title more attractive, apply the curve effect. Duplicate the title. Add color to the first word of the top title. Apply the hollow effect to the duplicate title. Now download this text as a PNG and make sure transparent background is checked. After downloading, upload it back into Canva. Remove the extra parts from the image. Duplicate it and separate the words by cropping them. Rearrange and align the words properly. Then place the title at the top. Next, add a subheading below the main title. To design the next section, add a frame below the heading. Go to Elements, select Frames, and search for a square frame. Add the frame and adjust its position. Duplicate it to place another square frame on the other side. Now, add images inside the frames. Copy an image and place it inside the frame. If the frame looks plain, add an outline to make it stand out. Repeat the same steps for the second frame. For the first frame, I'll add the colored version of the image, which I've already created. Add an outline to the frame for consistency. Next, duplicate the frame, resize it, and place it at the bottom. Create multiple copies and replace the images with the original versions. At this stage, the cover page is about 80% complete. Now, add a few text elements in the center related to the book. Use the text heading and write the title again. Write the title again. And adjust the text color. To enhance the design, add small dots between words. Go to Elements, select a circle, and place it neatly between the words. Add a subheading below this text. Finally, add a few crayon illustrations at the bottom to make the cover page more playful and cohesive. Finally, I will add a colorful dotted line at the bottom to give the cover page a finished and complete look. Now the cover page is complete. Using this method, you can design your coloring book pages and cover page, then start selling them online on Etsy and Amazon KDP to generate a high income. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.